Hi, good day everyone. Today, I'll be explaining on how your computer organizes all your files using something called a file system. What is a file system? Imagine your computer trying to handle thousands of files without any folders, names, or order. It's chaos. A file system is the method your operating system uses to name, store, retrieve, and organize files. It works like your computer's own filing cabinet. Why do we need one? Without a file system, everything on your drive would just be one big blob of data. Files would be impossible to find or manage. The file system gives structures, names, and organization. Main components. File system uses three major parts. Firstly, nodes or metadata. Nodes store metadata, information about a file, not the actual data. This includes the file size, permission, owner, location on disk, timestamps, and other details. The operating system uses the metadata to manage and locate the file. Second, data blocks. Data blocks are small chunks of a file that are distributed across multiple storage nodes. In this example, a 160 MB file is split into three blocks: 64 MB, 64 MB, and 32 MB. These blocks are stored in different data nodes, while the name node keeps the track of where each block is located. Third is directories. Directories. These organize files into a tree structure so you can navigate easily. It helps users understand where their data lives, making it easier to navigate, organize, and retrieve information. Whether you're storing documents, media, or software, this system ensures everything has a defined place and can be accessed quickly through its path. How saving a file works. When you save a Word document, your computer doesn't store it as one big piece. Instead, it breaks the files into small data blocks and places those blocks wherever there's a free space on your storage device. Your file keeps a record called metadata or a node that remembers where each block is located. So when you open File Explorer and click your document, the operating system gathers all those scattered blocks and rebuilds the file instantly. This is the same idea shown in the HDFS diagram. Files are split into blocks and stored in different locations. The only difference is that in your computer, the blocks are on one device, while in HDFS, they are stored across multiple machines. Types of file systems. Windows commonly uses NTFS. Linux uses ext4. And Apple devices uses APFS. Each file system has different features like journaling, speed improvements, or advanced security. And that's your quick, friendly guide to file systems.